Now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Check out some of the cool scenes from this week's Astronomy Night, hosted by our very generous ETA. Thanks so much. Attention McGaw families, the 2025 Jagathon is almost here, happening on July 24th. Not only is this a day filled with fun and exercise, but it's also your chance to earn incredible prizes while supporting our school. Raise just $25 to get raffle tickets or go further and earn exciting prizes like a Jagathon sticker, a donut party, and even a cuddly sea lion plushie. We also have an exclusive sea lion beach towel for you to earn. Top earners can snag other exclusive awards like a Chick-fil-A lunch with a friend, or you could join in the epic Nerf Wars extravaganza. You don't want to miss the ultimate prize. The top 8 fundraisers plus 2 lucky winners will take part in the Dunk Squad stunt show and staff inflatable obstacle race. Let's hit our goal of $70,000. Other school-wide rewards include extra recess, a free sit day, and a marshmallow dodgeball party. Every single dollar counts, so please start fundraising now, and remember, pledges are due by January 31st. Let's jog, raise, and win. Rah McGaw!
Greetings, space racers and alien life forms. I am Captain Lindsay from Run Seal Beach, and this here is my friend Sammy the Seal. We are here to announce the launch date of our 1K Kids Fun Run on April 5th, 2025. This year's theme is Sammy's Space Race. We need you, young astronauts, to accept this mission and join us for a race to the stars. After the countdown, you will take off running to the finish line and into our fun zone, where you can launch rockets, eat rocket pops, make alien slime, play, and have a blast. And while you are busy exploring, Mom and Dad can run the 5K or 10K. Before we are cleared for takeoff, however, all our astronauts need to be properly outfitted. For that reason, we are holding a t-shirt design contest for all elementary school students. The winner and a friend will get to experience intergalactic G-forces jumping and ziplining at Sky Zone Trampoline Park and have their design printed on all our kids' race shirts. Our second place winner will get to take home a 10-foot tall alien invader, and our third place winner will receive some cosmically cool toys from Lowell Observatory. So, get out your colored pencils and launch your creativity into orbit. Show us your best rockets, aliens, planets, astronauts, and more. Think outside the galaxy and come up with an out-of-this-world design. And don't forget to include our friend Sammy the Seal. The deadline for submission is January 24th, 2025. To learn more about contest rules, how to submit your drawing, and how to sign up for the race, please check out our flyer and website at runsealbeach.com. The future of the galaxy depends on you. See you at the launch pad. Captain Lindsay, over and out.
This is Sea Lion leader Hope Simpson with this week's announcements. Sea Lion Chorus is Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's be safe at drop-off. The OSAT practice test for third graders is taking place in the classroom on Wednesday. The OSAT practice test for fourth graders and fifth graders is taking place after school in the media center. From 1:30 to 2:30, your teacher will let you know if you're taking the test. Pageant rehearsal is on Thursday after school. Thanks so much, Sea Lanes. Have a great day.
High five, Heart. Yeah, you did it. Congratulations.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Our first Rawbuck goes to UTK student from Mrs. Barr's class, Avon Alden. She says that Avon goes out of his way to comfort his peers when he sees someone who's hurt or upset. We love your kind heart, Avon. You're doing great.
Kindergarten.
Our next Rawbuck goes to kindergarten student from Mrs. Hess's class. Congratulations to Penny Swetnam. Penny had an excellent reading and math behaviors today. She showed great effort and concentration. And that's what it takes to be a top scholar.
First grade.
Mrs. Monteleone wants to shout out first grader Milo Hereford. She says that Milo was a super reader during Reader's Workshop. He was engaged in his books and was a model student. Way to go, Milo. You're doing a great job in first grade.
Second grade.
Miss Z wants to shout out second grader from Mrs. Brendel's class, Zaya Adams. She said that Zaya welcomed the new friend to join her group, and she did a fantastic job. Thanks for speaking your mind and being so strong. We appreciate you, Zaya.
Third grade.
Mrs. Aniceto wants to shout out third grader Diego Flores. She says that Diego was being very helpful and friendly today when working on his reading with the partners. Thanks so much. If we work together, we can achieve great things.
Fourth grade.
Miss Z wants to shout out fourth grader from Miss Breedlove's class, Lily Nomavuka. Lily walked some friends through a difficult time, and that is a hard task. She did a fantastic job. They felt loved and supported by you. I was there to watch it, and let me tell you, no one does it better. Thanks so much, Lily, for being a strong part of our amazing school.
Fifth grade.
Mrs. Alvarado wants to shout out fifth grader Ellie Vu. She said that Ellie was such a good sport in PE when someone wasn't kind to her. She did a great job problem solving the situation, and we're all so proud. Way to go, Ellie.
Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.